Today we want to talk a little bit about how scruffing is not suitable for your cat. This applies to picking up your cat or any restraining methods that you might use or we as a clinic should not use. What scruffing is when you grab the cat by the back of the neck and hold him or her by the loose skin fold over there. Although biologically mother cats do this for their kittens, it's reserved strictly for that mother cat only and not for us. Because this instinct, this reflex is, yes, cats do freeze when they do get grabbed by the nape of the neck, but that instinct and reflex wears off when they're adults, so it's actually quite ineffective. And scruffing is actually really painful. It makes the cat feel helpless, stressed and anxious, and this can develop into defensive behaviors which can be commonly mistaken as aggression as well. And overall it just damages the bond you have with your cat and the bond we have with your cat who is our patient. We are a no scruff clinic and we do practice fear-free methods of restraining and handling all pets. What fear-free means is that we use methods and procedures which minimize the stress and anxiety in animals. And this applies to all pets of all species. There's specific cat-friendly ones as well. When we talk about using scruffing to pick up a cat, when you think about it, it's quite counterproductive because it's just that little skin fold there, and when they grow older it's not a very effective way of holding the cat because the cat weighs so much and you're using that little tiny piece of skin to hold him up, which is quite painful actually. Also, it's not always about what's easier for us to handle your cat. If you understand cats and your cat specifically and what he or she needs, you can find that more often than not a gentle, calm approach and a quiet approach works wonders, and you don't actually even need the restraining because the cat would need to trust you and perceive you not as a threat. We find that these cat-friendly methods work way more and scruffing is actually redundant. And there are so many other ways to restrain your cat. You can towel wrap them, use blankets, and so many other cat-friendly ways to restrain your cat. If your cat is uncooperative or has had a bad experience in the past, there's always medication to help him or her during the consultation. You can talk to your veterinarian about it. We use gabapentin, which is the most commonly used, and it's super safe and has shown great results. Although scruffing has been used for a long time and probably is still used, we should realize that with the new data and methods that we have learned, it's completely unnecessary and there are much better and effective ways of handling your cat. All in all, scruffing is ineffective, it doesn't produce any positive results, and it's a great discomfort to your cat. So we don't want to stress your cat out any more than he or she already is coming to the clinic or at home. So we practice a no scruff policy.